Hi guys, Dylan Mack here, back with another Balgores property tour. And behind me, I'm so excited to be back in the heart of NOAK Bridge. Behind me, we've got Bridge Street, a 3-bed detached. Come and take a look. Located in the desirable NOAK Bridge area, within walking distance to NOAK Bridge Primary School and open space. Downstairs comprises of a separate kitchen, dining space, spacious living room, downstairs WC, with an impressive driveway providing off-street parking for multiple vehicles, as well as a detached garage. It's perfect for a workshop, storage, or work from home office space. Upstairs is comprised of 3 bedrooms, a family bathroom, and master with ensuite. And with a gorgeous secluded garden, it's perfect for entertaining get-togethers with family and friends. If you don't want to miss out on this fantastic opportunity, please don't hesitate to get in touch. My name's Dylan Mack, and I look forward to showing you what could be your next family home.